Meet Jan. Jan is the owner of Pleasantfield Office Complex. Jan's main goals are to keep her tenants happy and to maintain a profitable business. To meet these goals, she needs to reduce operating expenses, minimize potential liability, and improve efficiency and quality. Jan has always tried to use water efficiently. She has installed modern toilets and faucets in her building and makes every effort to keep indoor water waste to a minimum. But she still sees her water bills continually rising, faster than any other utility service, a 25% increase since 2010. She was shocked when she learned that in many states, 70% of commercial water use is on landscapes, and most commercial properties like hers overwater by 50%, according to the EPA. Jan's property has a couple nicely landscaped areas, but is mostly building and parking lot. So how can her landscape be wasting so much water? She is surprised to find out the box that controls her sprinklers was installed many years ago and has never been upgraded. This old irrigation controller needs to be reprogrammed every time the weather changes or new water restrictions go into effect. It doesn't know anything about the landscape at her building or when the weather is wet or dry. She recently discovered that it even waters during rainstorms. This old irrigation controller is causing Jan more problems than just a high water bill. She has felt the pain of a surprise budget hit when overwatering killed a number of plants at the front entrance. Most mornings when she drives up to the building, she notices water running down the sidewalks and through the parking lot. She knows it will eventually cause cracks and potholes, which are expensive to repair and could cause a liability. In cold weather, the runoff turns to ice, and she is afraid someone could slip and fall. Jan is ready to put a stop to the water waste on her property, so she meets with David from Weathermatic to learn more about their sustainability services. Weathermatic will analyze her property and past water bills and compare them to historical weather data to determine how much water her property should have been using. They use this information to estimate how much she can save. Okay, she's impressed. They say she can save 40 to 70% on her water bills. Their service includes inspecting her current irrigation system, suggesting any repairs that need to be made, and professionally installing new smart line controllers. After everything is in place, they continue to remotely monitor the equipment and the water use to make sure everything is working properly. They do regular inspections, and they provide her with real-time reports. After learning that Weathermatic Sustainability Services has saved one client 25 million gallons of water in 1 month, Jan is confident this program will work on her property. She is excited to get started so she can find out exactly how much upgraded technology, streamlined workflow, and new accountability will save her.